Hello, welcome back guys to this video. I once talked about, not just once anyway, I have made a couple of videos about websites where you invest in pets for a period of 365 days as the website claimed, and those websites are still paying, and they are also similar to this very one I want to talk about in today's video. Please, before we proceed, kindly smash the subscribe button. Touch that subscribe button, smash it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and also do well to give this video a thumbs up as we proceed. Thank you for doing that, guys. If you are new to this channel, I want to say welcome, and just keep on following up. I hope it will be worthwhile. So guys, in today's video, I want to talk about this website. I want to talk about this very website where you also invest in buying pets for a period of, invest in pets for a period of 365 days as the website claims. We all know how some of these websites works. Yeah. So I want to make a live withdrawal in this video. So I am going to be investing this $15 right here. So guys, when you sign up, you'll be given $10, and minimum deposit here is $5. So we're going to come to that aspect later as we proceed with this video. So I want to quickly make I want to quickly invest this $15 and also withdraw it immediately. Guys, when you invest in this very website, you can you can withdraw your money instantly. You can withdraw your money. You can withdraw your profits instantly, not your capital instantly. You can withdraw your profits immediately. So if you invest today, you can start withdrawing your profits from today. Your profits ranges from 7% to 14%, depending on the amount you invest. So right now, let me quickly invest this very money by clicking on animal here. I'm going to invest this $15. I have, the top up of $5 was made, coupled with the original $10 registration bonus. So when you register, you'll be given $10 registration bonus. So right now I want to buy the plan 1, which I can use this very $15 to purchase. So I'm going to click on buy now. I hope you guys are following. My network is kind of slow. I don't know why. My network is kind of slow. Okay guys, it has already bought successfully. So let me just refresh this page. I was clicking, but the network was doing somehow, but it has actually bought. So let us see and confirm if it actually bought. Let us see and confirm. Okay, now you can see, guys, it has actually bought, and that is why I cannot see the balance right here again. So you can see I can't see that balance right here, the $15 I have here. So it has bought. I've bought it. Now you can see the withdrawable balance. Right now I've invested. I can withdraw this 1.05 USDT. This is my interest rate on this very investment amount, which I can withdraw every single day. So right now I have 1.05 USDT right here. So this is what I'm going to withdraw right now, guys. So before I place this withdrawal, let's go to Binance and see what I have in Binance. And I want to see my Binance. You can see there is no. I want you to see it for yourself. See for yourself before I make this withdrawal, because this withdrawal is going to land like in 2 to 3 minutes. I will receive this money in Binance. So let's quickly go to Binance right now, guys. Okay, I'm on Binance right now. So let me see my balance here right here in Binance. let me check my transaction history here. All right, on this transaction history, guys, you can see this is the deposit transaction history. The USDT I received in this Binance. You can see the last USDT I received here is 3.41, which is not actually from this very platform. Is on other platforms I discussed in this video. So, but the one I'm going to receive from this platform is going to come here. This 1.5 USDT is going to come here now. It's going to come here as I make the withdrawal. So look at the balance I have right here in Binance. You can see what I have here in Binance. The total balance right here in Binance is $1.75. $1.75. This is just what I have here in Binance. So let me go back to the platform right now and place this withdrawal right now, guys. And before I do that, I think I need to input my, let me quickly copy my USDT TRC20 wallet address from Binance, because I'll be asked to input it now, guys. I'll be asked to input it. So let me quickly copy it right now. My deposit address. So when you want to do yours, you also do it this way also. Copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address. So, and use it on that platform. That is what I'll be using. So I've copied that right now. So let me go back to the site. All right, so I'll be clicking on withdrawal, guys. Withdraw. Withdrawal password not set. So first of all, I'll be setting my withdrawal password. Okay, let me input my withdrawal password right now and my withdrawal details. Okay, guys, so I had to pause the video to input my password because this is a public this is for public. The video is a public view something, so I had to pause the video to input my stuff here. So I've done that already, so I will now have to click on save. Okay, I've saved it. I click on confirm. So now I'm going to be adding my address right now. USDT TRC20 wallet address. I add it, guys. So the next thing I want to do here is to set my transaction password, which I'm going to do now. I'll pause the video to do it. Okay, I've done that, guys. So I now click on submit. Successfully changed. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and place my withdrawal immediately. Right now. Withdrawal amount 1.05. Withdrawal password. I have to input it right now. Alright, guys, so having done that, I click on withdraw immediately. Withdraw successfully. Alright, so as you can see now, the money I withdrew is now here, 1.05. You can see the balance has left. It has left the blue figures here. It has left this place, so it is now, it is now here, so showing debit. I've withdrawn it. So in 2 minutes time now, or 3 minutes time, I'll go to Binance and check. So while before I go to Binance to check the money that I withdrew, let's quickly look at take a look at the packages right here. So guys, after buying this, you can see I actually bought this very package, and that is why we are having this not highlighted anymore. You can see the buy has been cancelled, so I've actually bought this, and that is why it is this way. It wasn't like this before, guys. So the next package right here is the Tabicat VIP2. So the minimum purchase is for this very one is 55 USDT to buy this. So you'll be given a registration bonus of 10 USDT. So you're going to be adding something to this in order to be able to buy this. So once you register, guys, you'll be given $10 free registration bonus. So you will now have to know what to add, the package you want to buy, and know what to add to it in order to buy the very package you want to buy. Take for instance this very one I bought here was I actually bought this for $15, and I had $10 registration bonus. So I had to do this thing.
$5 was added to it for me to be able to buy this. Do you understand? I had to add it together in order to buy this one. So when you want to buy yours, guys, you can do that same way. So for this very one right here now, you can add whatever you want to add to this very one. You can add whatever you want to add to this in order to buy this $55 for this very package and be earning 4.13 USDT every day for the period of 365 days. So when you come to this very page, guys, you just kindly go through it and see the package that you can go for. So when you want to refer your friends, guys, you kindly come to this very place and copy your referral link, copy your referral code, and refer your friends. And for you to register on this website, the link to register here is in the description of this video. It's in the description box of this video, guys. So right now, to register your friends, just copy those links. Now when you register people, the people you register directly, this is what you earn from them. 5% of the investment amount, 5% of the investment amount for each of them, guys. For any of the packages they register, you are getting 5% of the investment amount. And for the second generation referrals, you're getting 3%. Third generation referrals, you're getting 2%. So when the people you register people, when the people you register and fund the account, you're getting 5%. When those people register other people, you're getting 3%. And when the second generation register other people, you're getting 2%. So that is how it is, guys. Very, very simple. So very soon I'll be heading to Binance to see if the money has reflected in Binance. So guys, please, as always, my disclaimer is something I don't avoid doing in my videos. I always make my disclaimer for some reasons. My disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions. As for me, I'm always responsible for every financial decision I take. So likewise, you should be responsible for your financial decisions and not me because you're watching my video. No, you are at will. You are at discretion. It's at your discretion. It's at your discretion to make your own research, guys. You can make your own research, but most times when you want to start making research, you might end up not doing the thing. You might end up taking a lot of time. So if you're a risk taker, you can go ahead and take the risk with what you can comfortably afford. That is what I can say. You can take the risk with what you can afford to risk as a risk taker. So, but kindly note, I'm not a financial advisor and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions on this website, guys. I am responsible for my own financial decisions, so you should be responsible for yours. So guys, let's quickly go to Binance right now. Let's go to Binance. I believe the money should be in Binance right now. Boom. Guys, as you can see, it's already reflected 5 minutes ago. The deposit of USDT is deposited 5 minutes ago. The other one is 7 hours ago. What I withdrew in the morning, some hours ago, but not from this very website. So this very one I withdrew is from this site. The deposit of USDT is completed 1 hour ago. So let me click on spot part of the wallet. And as you can see, USDT 1.05, exactly the same figure I withdrew. So let me click on transaction history right here, guys. On the transaction history, let's see the transaction history. Let's see. Okay, so this is the deposit transaction history, guys. As you can see, 1.05 USDT. Remember what I showed you guys here on this page before was 3.41 USDT, which was the last one here. So now I withdrew this very one. Right now I have 1.05 USDT. 1.05 USDT. This is what I have right here now. You can see, guys. So I've withdrawn the money, and if you look at the time I withdrew it, you can see it rhymes with the time I'm making this video. 2022-09-20, 16 points, 11 minutes past 4 at this moment. So now it's already 17 minutes past 4 now, right now. So it has taken some couple of minutes. It's landed in Binance. So guys, you can see I have actually withdrawn from this. So you can go ahead and do it if you are a risk taker and enjoy it right now. Start enjoying it. Don't waste too much time. That's what I can say. All right, so if you have any comments, please drop your comments in the comment section of this video. If you want to connect with me, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Then send me a private message when you join my group if you want to interact with me. And to sign up to this website, the link to this website is down, is the very first link in the description box of this video. Click that link and get registered immediately, guys. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you on the next one, guys.